Alright, we're going to do the next one on the list, which is, I keep saying list and I mean pattern, don't I? It's the dark pink bellflower. So that's this sort of, I don't know, you're going to make like a little cup thing with this darker pink colour. So you get your 3 meters of that colour and cast on. We start off all the flowers pretty much the same with a casting on and then a chain of 3. And then you slip stitch into that very first stitch to make the round, the loop. It's 1, 2, 3 and into there. Bring it through. And there's a little slip stitch to finish it off there. Now we're going into the very center of this circle that we've made. Let me find the center. Sometimes you've got to pull it apart to actually get the hook in there. Oh, for God's sake. Right. In the middle. And we're going to do double crochets, 8 of those in the center here. Sorry, it's gone blurry. Bear with me. We're doing 8 double crochets in here. If you are American, that's called a single crochet. Don't be confused. Why they haven't just called it the same thing, I will never work this out. But anyway, English people, double crochet. American people, and probably everyone else, a single crochet. 8 of those. And then you're going to do in the very last bit, we're going to join the sides with a slip stitch into that very last bit. So just there, you can do a little slip, and that will bring it round to the right height, the same height. And now we're doing our round 3 of this. So for this we go straight into, we're making the little petal shape now. So we're going to chain 6 stitches. And they're like, yeah, just slip stitches. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going into the next stitch with a little slip, and then 6 chain, and all the way round we're going to do this into each stitch all the way round. And I'm just going to let you work from the other videos for that bit because it's long and boring, but you know what to do.